Mastering holiday leftovers, safe storage and reheating tips to prevent waste and health risks. As the holiday season approaches, kitchens across the country will be bustling with activity, filled with the delightful aromas of festive feasts and culinary creations. Christmas and New Year gatherings often lead to an abundance of leftovers, presenting both an opportunity to enjoy delicious meals for days to come and a challenge in ensuring those leftovers are stored safely to prevent food waste and health risks. Understanding the proper methods for storing, reheating, and disposing of leftovers is essential for maintaining food safety and minimizing waste during this joyous season. The importance of proper storage. Leftovers can be a wonderful way to extend the holiday spirit, but how long can you keep them in the refrigerator? Generally, it is recommended that cooked foods be stored in the fridge for no longer than 3 to 4 days. Beyond this time frame, the risk of foodborne illnesses, including food poisoning, significantly increases. If you anticipate that leftovers will last longer than a few days, consider freezing them, which can safely extend storage times up to 10 days or more, depending on the food type. Storing leftovers correctly is just as important as keeping track of their shelf life. To prevent premature spoilage and maintain food quality, always place leftover food in airtight containers or jars made of plastic or glass. This will help to keep the food fresh and protect it from absorbing odors from other foods in the refrigerator. Alternatively, tightly wrapping the food in plastic wrap or aluminum foil can also be effective in preserving its quality. Recognizing spoilage, when to discard leftovers. It is crucial to be vigilant about the condition of your leftovers. Discard any food that shows signs of spoilage, such as mold growth, changes in color, or unpleasant odors. A critical rule to remember is that no perishable food should be consumed if it has been stored in the refrigerator for more than 7 days. According to food safety guidelines, bacteria can proliferate rapidly, especially if food is not kept at the appropriate temperatures below 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit, for cold storage or above 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, for hot foods. As a general guideline, here's how long you can safely store various types of leftovers in the refrigerator. Cooked chicken, 3 to 4 days. Pizza, 3 to 4 days. Meat, 1 to 2 days. Rice, 1 to 2 days. Pasta, 3 to 4 days. Boiled eggs, 1 week. Soup, 3 to 4 days. Lentils, 3 to 4 days. Boiled vegetables, 5 to 6 days. Cut fruits, 5 to 6 days. Desserts, 3 to 4 days. Reheating leftovers safely. When it comes to reheating leftovers, it is vital to do so safely to prevent any health risks. Leftover food stored in the refrigerator or freezer will be at temperatures between 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, 36 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not safe for immediate reheating. While food may not become poisoned outright, consistently reheating cold food to high temperatures can be harmful to your body over time. The best practice is to allow leftovers to thaw and come to room temperature before reheating. This reduces the risk of uneven heating, which can lead to cold spots where bacteria could survive. There are 3 safe methods to thaw frozen food. 1. Microwaving. This method is quick and effective. Ensure that the food is in a microwave-safe container. 2. Refrigerator thawing. Move the food to the refrigerator overnight, allowing it to thaw slowly and safely. 3. Cold water method. Place the food in a leak-proof container and submerge it in cold water, changing the water every 30 minutes until it reaches room temperature. After thawing, reheat the food thoroughly to an internal temperature of at least 74 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure it is safe to consume. Enjoying leftovers responsibly. As the holiday season unfolds and the dining table is filled with delectable dishes, remember that managing leftovers is key to enjoying the festive spirit without compromising food safety. By following proper storage guidelines, recognizing spoilage, and reheating food safely, you can savor those delightful meals while minimizing waste and health risks. This holiday season, let's not only indulge in the joy of gathering with loved ones but also commit to responsible food practices that ensure everyone can enjoy those cherished leftovers safely. With a little attention to detail and care, you can make the most of your holiday feasts and contribute to a more sustainable approach to food consumption. Happy holidays!